Okay, when we first met in September or whatever it was together in the room, I introduced the concept of thinking about our offense in four quarters. I have changed it a little bit, but here are the four quarters. Silver, that's our substitution slash early offense. All right, so we're just getting started early in the possession with a shot clock. We got to be aware of that. Torque, it's our settled 6v6, and within that, we've got Tango and Ivy, and we might be running OG at certain times, but probably primarily Tango and Ivy, our invert set. And, the idea is torque the wrench, get a good shot. We're looking for dunks. We're looking for good opportunities. Ready offense, very similar to Silver. We just back it up after a shot. We got an end line restart or an inbounds of some sort, and we want to have something where we're more organized than them and we're ready to attack. And then obviously our fourth quarter is going to be EMO, our man up offense, when we're ready to get into something quickly. We also still probably want to have restarts available for that, but we just want to be more organized and more intentional than them on EMO.